Even though there are a few things to consider when shopping for a car vacuum, your main priority is to decide if you want a corded or a cordless option. You will likely want your car vacuum to be handheld, but there are situations where a wet/dry shop vac is more ideal. We've included a variety of options on this list, from corded to cordless, small to 10-gallon capacity, and even 12-volt options that use your car's cigarette lighter for power. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners. So let's get started. Number 5. BLACKDECKER CHV10P. One of the most popular handheld vacuums currently available is the BLACKDECKER Dustbuster hand vacuum. This hand vacuum isn't just an ideal choice for cleaning cars, but it can also be used to tidy up your household. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, the cordless vacuum can only be used on dry materials, which isn't true for all handheld cordless vacuums, so keep that in mind if you're shopping for a wet/dry vacuum. It is rated at 15.2 watts with max voltage of 16 volts, and has a suction power of 15.2 air watts AW. The washable dust bowl has a capacity of 20.6 ounces, and it's one of the easiest hand vacuums to empty out and clean. Powering the dustbuster is a lithium-ion battery that takes about 4 hours to fully charge. Best of all, charging is easy since it uses a charging base. The company says the battery is capable of holding a charge for up to 18 months, allowing you to conveniently keep it in your car. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. ARKALL AA255. Don't care for a cordless, handheld vacuum? If you have easy access to a power outlet and need a wet/dry vacuum, the ARKALL 2.5-gallon shop vac is a great choice. It's not overly powerful with a 2-horsepower motor, and its 2.5-gallon storage tank isn't the largest available, but this vacuum is small enough to get inside your car for cleaning, where a full-size portable vacuum would be too big to maneuver. It comes with a 10-foot power cord, and since it's just a 2.5-gallon tank, this vacuum is easy to move around while you vacuum your car. Also included is a 6-foot hose, which should help minimize the need for an extension cord. Like other shop vacuums, ARKALL's has a built-in blower function that can quickly convert the vacuum to a blower. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Bissell Aeroslim 29869. Bissell is a well-known brand when it comes to vacuum cleaners, and its stylish Aeroslim handheld vacuum is a great option for taking care of your car's interior. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this vacuum operates for up to 12 minutes on a single charge, which may or may not be enough depending on the size of your vehicle and the mess. As with all rechargeable batteries, if you use it frequently and need to charge it often, battery life and performance will start to degrade, but for routine maintenance, its compact size and affordable price make it an attractive option. Features on this handheld vacuum include a dual-level filtration system that uses washable and reusable filters, an easy-to-empty dirt bin, and USB charging. That means you can charge this vacuum with your vehicle if it's equipped with a USB port. It doesn't come with very many accessories, however, with the sole 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush found inside the box. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Dewalt DXV10P. Not every household needs a wet/dry vacuum such as this one, but when the AutoGuide garage needed a shop vac, we went with Dewalt's 10-gallon wet/dry vacuum. Powered by a 5.5 peak horsepower motor, it's designed for large applications, so whether it's your work truck that needs cleaning from bumper to bumper, or your minivan filled with spilled cereal, this vacuum will handle it all. It features 5 durable rubberized casters at the bottom for smooth swiveling and easy movement. An extra long 20-foot power cord and long 7-foot hose means you have plenty of reach without having to plug or unplug the vacuum as you clean. The exhaust port also functions as a built-in blower port, using the suction hose, if you want to reverse the function of the vacuum. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. thisworx Car Vacuum Cleaner. Here's a recommendation that was clearly designed to vacuum your car, since the power cord plugs directly into the cigarette lighter receptacle. It's one of the most popular options for car vacuums in the world, and weighs just 2.4 pounds. The 16-foot power cord should be long enough for most sedans, but you might have to use a rear receptacle if you drive a big crossover or SUV. Featuring an ergonomic design, this vacuum is comfortable to use, and its accessories will allow you to reach all sorts of areas inside your cabin. The large transparent trash container shows you when it's time to empty it out. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners just for you.